Hi everyone, and welcome to day 27 of our 30-day challenge. And I'm going to have everyone start off in a comfortable seated position or easy pose at the top of your mat. Closing the eyes. Gently drawing the shoulders up into the ears, drawing them back, keeping them gently drawn back, let them fall down into their sockets. Draw the belly into the spine, leaning back against the imaginary wall behind you. Lengthening through the crown of the head and letting the knees be nice and heavy. And then take an inhale breath through the nose. On the exhale, open the mouth and say ha, H-A, like we're fogging a mirror. And again, inhale. Through the mouth, exhale. Last one. Inhale through the nose, through the mouth, exhale like you're fogging a mirror. And then this time, inhaling through the nose, begin exhaling through the mouth, closing the mouth halfway, creating the same sound through the nose. 2 more times, inhale, begin through the mouth, close the mouth, last one. And then just take a few more breaths in and out through the nose, still creating that ujjayi sound on the exhales. And if it's available, you can bring that sound into the inhales as well. And releasing the hands onto the knees, we're going to begin seated cat-cow. And on the inhale, bring the belly forward, lift the tailbone behind you, lift the chin. Exhale, round and tuck. Inhale, roll forward, open through the front of the body. Exhale back and open through the back of the body. One more, just like this. And then we're going to turn it into a barrel roll. So the belly comes forward, over to the right, around to the back, over to the left, and back forward, creating a circle, like the belly button is drawing a circle on the floor. Adding whatever shoulder or head movements are comfortable. Last one in this direction, and then go in the other direction. Staying with the breath. Last one. And coming back to center. Inhale the arms up alongside the ears, twisting to the right. Staying here. Sit up nice and tall, lift through the heart center, crown of the head. Exhale, draw the belly in, twist a little bit further, turning the head as far over that right shoulder as you can. 2 more breaths. And then we're going to inhale back to center. And on the exhale, you're going to come over the legs, allowing the forehead toward the floor. Trying to keep the sit bones on the ground and come back to the breath. Let everything become nice and heavy. Slowly walking yourself back up to center. Inhale the arms up alongside the ears. And exhale, you're going to twist to the other side. Inhale again, lift and lengthen. Exhale, draw the belly in and twist. Turning the head as far over that back shoulder as you can. Come back to the breath. 2. Last one. Inhale back to center, but this time before we come forward, we're going to take the opposite foot in front and come forward over the legs. Again, letting everything go. Coming back to the breath if you've lost it. Last one. Slowly walking yourself up and coming forward into table pose, hands and knees. Take an inhale breath, curl the toes, exhale, down dog. Walk the dog, bending the left knee, pressing the right heel to the mat, and then switch. One more time each side. Finish out this last exhale, and then we're going to inhale to plank pose. Exhale, knees, chin and chest. Inhale, nice big cobra. Exhale, down dog. Again, inhale to plank pose. Lower down, knees, chin and chest. Exhale. Inhale, again, nice big cobra. Down dog. Exhale. Take the right foot forward, pigeon pose. Staying up in your pigeon, we're not coming forward over the leg just yet. You're going to take the right hand, come around the back and bind. So opposite hand, square back to the front of the room, close the eyes, draw the belly in and come back. In and out through the nose. Releasing the tension through the front of that left thigh with each exhale. Good, last breath. Slowly, gently release the back foot. Plant the hands, curl the toes, and step it back. Walk it out. And then we're going to take the left foot forward, pigeon pose. Slide the right leg back. Walk the hands up. And when you're ready, left hand is going to come around the back to bind onto that right foot. Come back to center. In and out through the nose. Releasing the tension through the front of that right thigh with each exhale. Last breath. And release. Again, curl the toes, step it back to down dog, walk it out. Come forward to seated and on to the back. Reclined pigeon pose. So you're going to take the left foot over the right knee, the right foot over the left knee, draw that left knee into the chest. Shoulders are heavy. Hips are heavy. If it's available, you can take the left hand and bind onto the toes. 3, 2, and soften the knee if it's straight. Cross that left knee all the way over the right and come into your twist. Turn the head to the right. Two more breaths. Finish out that exhale. Come back to center. Other side. Reclined pigeon pose. Again, if you extended the left leg, extend the right, binding onto the toe. Soften the leg, cross the left all the way over, and let the legs down to the side. Looking to the left, let everything become nice and heavy. last breath. Staying for the exhale. And coming back to center, unbinding the legs and making your way to Shavasana. Letting everything become nice and heavy, melting down into the ground. And just begin lengthening and deepening the breath. Bringing movement to the hands and the feet. Drawing the knees into the chest one at a time. Rocking side to side. And making your way into a comfortable seated position. Bring the hands to heart center. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.